Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. A bit more waffle for the afternoon. We are going back to Ford to road test a Puma and to hopefully do the purchase today. I'm a little bit nervous because I'm currently not driving my Fiesta ST. My good partner is. She's getting a bit cocky behind the wheel. She's enjoying the speed. And I get told off having a bit of road rage, but it's okay when she does it. So here we are in the new Ford Puma. We've been driving it. We are both very happy. We are going to go for the 1 litre 155 brake horsepower ST9X with majority of all the extras, and we're about to go and place our order. We are very happy with this car. It drives very well. You know, for all the geeky stuff, I mean, like, doesn't body roll, you can throw it into a corner. It's just eye-opening really what Ford have done with this Girlfriend's very happy. It's just going to be her new daily, and yeah, we are going to go make an order now. So the purchase has been made. We have gone for the Ford Puma ST Line X in magnetic grey, which is a nice metallic colour, but the 155 brake option, not the 125, the 155. We felt the 125 was just lacking on power for the size of the vehicle. And in the options, we went for the comfort pack, the driver assistance pack, fixed LED headlamps, a hands-free tailgate. The only ones we didn't go for were the tow bar and the panoramic roof. I didn't like the idea of a panoramic roof, and we don't need a tow bar, so go figure. And now that will be beginning of September. The car was ordered, and that'll be here with us by beginning of September, wasn't it?
Yep.
Beginning of September. So we'll have that. And my Focus, I've had an update. It's getting to a dealer hopefully middle of this coming week. So I'll be able to pick it up hopefully next weekend. So that is all good. I'm really looking forward to getting that car and getting the mounting kit on it. So yeah, right guys, take it easy. Bye bye.